When facing challenges installing a ceiling fan due to obstructions like cross bracing, consider an octagonal ceiling box as a viable alternative for mounting a light fixture. These boxes are specifically designed for old work ceiling installations and provide a secure and code-compliant solution. Firstly, the octagonal ceiling box is made of sturdy metal, ensuring durability and the ability to withstand the weight of a light fixture. Secondly, it's designed specifically for old work ceiling installations, meaning it can be installed without requiring access to the ceiling joists from above. Thirdly, these boxes typically feature full 1/2-inch knockouts, providing ample entry points for your metal-clad cables. Finally, they incorporate mounting wings that, when properly installed, grip the ceiling material, securing the box firmly in place. Before beginning any electrical work, always ensure the power to the circuit is completely shut off at the breaker. Use a non-contact voltage tester to verify the circuit is de-energized before touching any wires. Now focus on the installation process. 1. Position the octagonal box over the existing hole in the ceiling, ensuring it aligns properly. 2. Carefully bend the mounting wings outwards, preparing them to engage with the ceiling material. 3. Insert the bent mounting wings into the hole, making sure they clear any obstructions. 4. Spread the existing wires out within the box, providing enough slack to make your connections. 5. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals inside the box, following standard wiring practices. Ensure all connections are secure and properly insulated. 6. Carefully push the box into the hole, taking care not to damage the surrounding ceiling material. 7. Tighten the mounting screws on the box. This action will cause the mounting wings to pivot and clamp onto the back of the ceiling, securing the box in place. 8. Double check that the box is firmly mounted and doesn't wobble. If it does, further tighten the mounting screws until it is stable. 9. Install your chosen light fixture onto the octagonal box, following the manufacturer's instructions. 10. Once the light fixture is securely installed, restore power to the circuit at the breaker. 11. Test the light fixture to ensure it is functioning correctly. Several key considerations are vital for a safe and successful installation. First, verify that the octagonal box is rated for the specific type of wiring you are using, in this case, metal-clad cables. This information will be clearly marked in the box itself. Second, if the existing hole in the ceiling is slightly too large for the box, use a plastic or metal spacer ring to fill the gap. This will provide a more secure fit and prevent the box from shifting. Third, when working with older wiring, carefully inspect the condition of the conductors and insulation. If the insulation is brittle or cracked, consider wrapping the wires with electrical tape to provide added protection. Fourth, always follow local electrical codes and regulations when performing any electrical work. If you are unsure about any aspect of the installation, consult a qualified electrician. Regarding the size and type of octagonal box, several options are available. Choose a box that is appropriately sized for the light fixture you intend to install and that meets all applicable safety standards. Metal boxes are generally preferred for their durability and fire resistance. Furthermore, when connecting the metal-clad cables to the octagonal box, use appropriate connectors designed for this purpose. These connectors ensure a secure and grounded connection. Also, remember that grounding is crucial for electrical safety. Ensure that the metal box is properly grounded to the grounding conductor in the metal-clad cable system. This will help prevent electrical shock hazards. If the existing metal-clad cable system does not have a dedicated grounding conductor, consult a qualified electrician to determine the appropriate grounding method. And note that working with electricity can be dangerous. If you are not comfortable performing this type of work, hire a qualified electrician to do it for you. Safety should always be your top priority. You can find octagonal ceiling boxes at most home improvement stores and electrical supply houses. Be sure to choose a box that is specifically designed for old work installations and that meets all applicable safety standards. When selecting a light fixture, consider the size and weight of the fixture and ensure that it is compatible with the octagonal box. The box will have a weight rating clearly marked on it. And when working with metal-clad cables, be careful not to damage the cable or the conductors inside. Use appropriate tools for cutting and stripping the cables. Always inspect the cables for any signs of damage before making connections. In addition, double-check all wiring connections to ensure they are secure and properly insulated. Loose connections can cause electrical problems and even pose a fire hazard. And if you are unsure about any aspect of the installation, don't hesitate to ask for help from a qualified electrician or electrical inspector. They can provide valuable guidance and ensure that the installation is safe and code compliant. If the cross bracing is only slightly interfering with the installation of the octagonal box, you may be able to carefully notch the bracing to provide the necessary clearance. However, be sure not to weaken the bracing excessively, as this could compromise the structural integrity of the ceiling. It's best to consult with a structural engineer or qualified contractor before making any modifications to the cross bracing. Consider also the importance of proper lighting design. When choosing a light fixture, consider the size of the room, the amount of light needed, and the overall aesthetic you are trying to achieve. A well-designed lighting scheme can enhance the look and feel of any space. In addition to the octagonal box and light fixture, you may also need other materials and tools such as wire connectors, electrical tape, a screwdriver, a wire stripper, and a voltage tester. Having all the necessary materials and tools on hand before you start the job will make the installation process much smoother and more efficient. And one more important point is about the importance of labeling. After completing the installation, label the circuit breaker that controls the light fixture. This will make it easier to identify and shut off the power to the fixture in the future if necessary. A clearly labeled electrical panel is essential for electrical safety. Finally, remember that electrical work can be complex and potentially dangerous. If you are not comfortable performing this type of work, hire a qualified electrician to do it for you. Your safety and the safety of your home are always the top priorities. In summary, installing an octagonal ceiling box for old work is a straightforward process that can be accomplished with the right tools, materials, and knowledge. By following the steps outlined above and taking the necessary safety precautions, you can successfully install a light fixture and improve the lighting in your home.